PBL eliminations. They did not drop a single game. In the meantime, we are underway. First attack is in progress. Bang already at work. Chamson is there. Bonafé. And the attempt of Villena is outside.
You see the...
So Petro gets the first point of the match. The ageless Chisayet is there, serving. Pineda. And that is inside.
Coming off the errors of Akari.
Oo nga, no? Hindi man lang offensive attacks talaga eh. Eto, malinaw. Soltones, sabi niya, gusto mo na attack? Eto. 2-1 ang ating bilang. Myla reaches, goes to Pontillas. That's clearly scored upon.
Akari, they need to keep up right away kasi it doesn't matter kung alam mo yun, yung game mo last time tapos
wala yun, no.
And knockout ngayon eh.
Ellie Soyud. Alam mo, nagbubuhat na rin to si Ellie. Naabutan ko si Ellie. Ang payat niya no? Pero ito, muscle na ito. In the meantime, it's touched ball. Alam mo, kailangan itong Akari stay close to Petro. Just stay close. And they are staying close as Laksina delivers an ace. Context. The winner of this match will face Signal. And that will be on Thursday right away. The other teams, of course, just waiting for opponents. Hindi na siya na halos nakakalaro eh. Doon lang siya, papasok siya paminsan-minsan para mag-serve. Bonafé, set-up job. Soltones, appreciating her work, brings her team within 2.
Lalo na you have a defense pattern na naka-atras ka para dumipensa.
Pineda receiving. Down the middle to Soltones. Soyud kicks it over. The attack. Soyud. Ang daming cross na ina-attempt itong Petro. Oh! Cleanly hit.
But you can see now she is still well suited up because she wants to be someone to rely on if the Angels are challenged toughly inside the court. Gusto niya pakita ang kanyang presensya para sa mga rookies. Let's head on over back to the game. 7 Mela.
Nagkaroon din ng transition itong Petro. Kanilang Japanese coach departed, of course. We all know the story about that one. In the meantime, Akari keeps very busy and close.
And I think one thing she's developed talaga ay yung timing at basa sa kanyang mga attackers.
That is true. Pablo shoots. And she gets it to go into that empty corner.
Sharma said Domingo just recovered lately. Kaya itong si Villena ang kanilang ginagamit.
Good set for Chamson. It's kept in the air. Musa is there. Soyud twisting around. Soltones punches that through and we are tied at 14. Alam mo, pagka masipag ka dumating sa practice, hindi problema. Kahit sino-sino pa yung spiker mo. Soltones bouncing on the regalo and they have the lead at 15-14. The last 3 points have been scored by Akari. And finally, there's an answer.
Being caught up by Akari in this match, so sometimes it only takes that one spark plug, just like how Nicole Tiamson played against Chocomucho.
Nicely done, Madrigal. Pero kung minsan, pag may injury, may mahirap din mag-therapy.
Yes, it takes a lot of time. But for people like Edsel Soltones who dealt with injuries earlier, every time she's healthy, Akari performs so good.
That's such a good point. And she can bring this team to some places they've never been, actually. That will work. And look at this. This is a hot run. Nagmamadali siya. Magsasakay daw siya ng joyride or something kasi may game yung kanyang litran. Okay. In the meantime, uy, hindi tinawagan. Pwede yun. Borderline yun. Yung kay Soyud. Atake! Oh, may halong swerte rin ito, Akari.
You know, get that usual pace out from the Angels.
Mula nung 14-13, 7-1 run na ang Akari until that moment.
Hopefully, for Petrogas, sila naman na magbabalak gumawa ng run.
Domingo gets it to bite, and that slide running play. Both liberos are hard at work for Akari. Chamson serving. Bonifay, Soyud. Daming butas defensively ng Petro. Ellie and certain teams should just wait for her time, wait for her chances.
Ooh. For Bea Bonifay, it's a very big adjustment dahil as much as she's been playing for years, iba yung bigla kang magiging starter na wala kang choice kung from a legendary setter herself, hindi na sala.
That is so well said, partner. In the meantime, Sayed. Oh, I think that's outside. And look at this. Look at this. Akari is at set point.
Now, they can't seem to get to set point.
Change of hands in the air. Pablo whips it against the block. Bonifay, Soyud, her version. Kept in play by Tempatura. And biglang umiinit itong Petro sa dulo. They have scored their last 3 points. They now have scored 5 points in this opening set. Laksina brings them finally to set point.
Timeouts niya, play talaga, specific plays ang kanyang...
may call siya agad. One up, may tawag eh. Why not? Diba? Sakto. Second set point.
And Ivy acknowledged and confirmed, and it was so fitting that she was the one who scored that point.
Chamson fires away. The dump. There's a hand of Pontillas. Chamson will just heave it over. Chance to attack. Hindi naka-atake. It's still alive, but it's out. Madrigal had, I think, chances. The winner there will go on to face PLDT. Sharp. Good set from Bang. And that's hit out. Here we go again. Tied again. Nakaapat na set point nito mga Akari, no? Chamson. Ganda ng kuha ni Danny Ravenna. And we are tied again. Laksina accepting. Soyud trying to be creative. Chisayat, Myla. Laksina gets to it. Ooh. And look at how life is so interesting. Lalim. Soltones shoots, and it's a big pickup by Temperatura downstairs. This is problematic, but they get to it. They will heave it over. Ganyan pag magre-return ka mataas para may chance ka mag-recover. Soyud! Soyud!
Grabe, I haven't seen Ellie Soyud as alert.
Pagka-toss niya, walang tao sa bahay nang kumatok siya. In the meantime, Chisayat reverses. Soyud keeps... Oh! Second set point opportunity. Laksina. Uh-oh. Nearly laps there. Down the middle we go with Domingo. Up in the air. Kept alive. They toss it to the back row. Chance to attack. Soyud reaches for it. The crowd beginning to get into this. And that is cleanly hit. We are tied at 29. Yan sino yung maka-score ng 30. But less on the play in volleyball. Here we go. Pablo. Laksina. Oh! Madrigal! Kasi pagka naglalaro ka, pwede kang tumakbo. Pwede
Parang maka-carjack na si Camille.
Oh! That's inside and we're gonna take a while here. May ana ha. 30 all. Laksina. Oh, neatly done.
That was a great set by Bea Bonifay. Wala, kaya yan ang teammates mo. So, this is what happens when she focuses on her game. Always ready to go for those kills.
Can they get this now after 6 set point opportunities? Good hand by Ravenna. Laksina. And look at this. Sakari finally ends that part of the set. At least sa inyo, matagal bago ko nasabi. Alas responsibilities. By the way, we are in the second set and proceeding here. Again, tama si Mela Tunay. The winner here moves into the next round. Farm Fresh and Cherry Tigo already did the job last Saturday. Soyud uncorks. Pablo accepting. Runner na karon. Here comes Madrigal. Bonaparte, just be confident. Tina Salak said. Soltones. Jamson. Laksina steady. Soyud wants to win it. Si Soyud hindi ayaw na mahabang kwentuhan eh. Oh, bad acceptance. And it's a service ace by side.
Isa, at kapag
Diba? That's why she takes a
serving
while.
to ace.
Yan, Tingnan mo yung likod ng kamay, oh. If you do a slow-mo of that, you'll see how she doesn't do it the same way each time. As Soyud gets it to tie. And Soyud already leading the pack together with Laksina with 9 points each. Jamson. Oh, Ravenna says, gotcha. Back row, Pablo at work. Nice toss. One hand on it. Soyud says, let's heave it over. Pablo swings. Off the block. Alive. No whistle. We play on. Jamson denied. Pablo succeeds as we send it to Alexis Tinsay.
A little tea that Gretchen Soltones told me she did something to encourage her today. The next niya, si Bea with a heartfelt and strong message saying, Bea, you are not here to please everyone. Just
Challenge of the call. And we have our count currently at 4-3. Petrogas. Whoa, wicked shot. And Dacoron will be serving. She likes that side of the service area. Soltones. Oh, ang bilis ng palo. Good speed from St. Domingo. Maizo Pontilla serving. On two? No. Oh, Laksina surprised. But why should you be? You got it perfectly. Diba kung ikaw yung kalaban, nakakainis ka, naiinis ka na isahan ka na naman. Oh,
Parang gano'n. Parang
ganun.
gano'n ba, Sir Sir? Pero ginawa niya pa rin.
Overpass. Sabi na eh. And tayo'y dumating sa first technical timeout at 8-5. Myla Pablo will serve. Bonaparte sets. Oh, said, got it down the line.
Kargado itong kanyang mga serve.
Yes, yes, that's 3 straight now by Akari. It's a normal strategic statement. Kung minsan yung maliliit, nakaka-block pa yan eh. Hala. Akari is in the lead by 1, by the way. Johnson denied. Pineda elevating the volleyball. That's loaded! 2-point lead now by Akari as they have scored 5 straight.
Looking more comfortable with those hits.
Saka generous si Bonafide. Lahat pinipida niya eh. That works. And Akari now has scored. Ito si Domingo. Kahapon pa nandyan. Outside back. Then pasok.
Who's gonna be the next consistent person to rally
I
for the
agree.
Angels?
Ito, natapik lang ni Madrigal. Misyot. Oh, ganda ng direksyon.
May nag-volunteer na, Sir Sir.
Should be 11 all. Yes, it is. Soyud from the rear. Oh, too hot to handle.
And Soyud has consistently looked for that cross-court spot of this match.
Oh, service ace from the young setter. Alam mo, malayo pa ito, pero if they will stay with Bonaparte, and she's going to be in for a challenge against Signal if they go cross.
Contact niya sa bola.
That's a good point, yeah.
And I think, being a coach herself, she has this camp where she trains kids.
Oo nga pala.
Being a
yan.
coach herself, it allows her to be more mindful eh. And I think
Bonaparte. Unable to get to it. Dikit na dikit itong dalawang ito. Jamson. Bonaparte. Laksina. Yes. Pag cross court, she's in a good place. Madrigal serve in play. Pablo shoots away. Madrigal whirling on the floor. Laksina gets it to bite.
look at the counter of Ivy Laksina.
There's Madrigal. Pineda accepting. That's blocked. Nowhere to go. Boy, I'm not used to not seeing her playing and being so jubilant and buoyant along the sideline there. Pablo gets that to work. Dacoron serve in action. Soyud tries this time and makes it.
The gray area for Petrogas is who's gonna be the next person to step up.
Tempiatura unable to handle it. I see Myla Pablo will play with the serve in action. That should score.
Point production lamang pa rin sila pagdating sa opensa kontra sa Petrogas.
Soltones has scored 9. In play, it is playable. It becomes an opportunity for Victoria to celebrate.
Pila ni Victoria sa sarili niya just to avoid the net.
Ah! And now it's Madrigal who goes to work. Yung serve ni Sed ang may diin eh. Whoa! One-handed pickup. Victoria got to it. Soltones blocked. Domingo kneeling down. Soltones tries again. Shoots it against the hands. Good one-hand ground pickup. Oh, when you're lucky and you are industrious, the luck can be created.
Hindi na kasi tumalon si Victoria, inabot na lang eh. Kaya pa din.
This Akari team has potential, dug up by Domingo. And play one more. Tina wants it.
Regalo. Great defense displayed by Akari both at the net and on the floor.
Alam mo, very light yung ship na tinatakbo nito.
Even if this is the score.
Mabuti pang tapusin mo na agad eh. Lamang ka na ng dalawa. Eto na. Katok-katok sa pintuan itong Musa. Tataas ulit. One more time around the block. No. Not yet.
So, something very nice for Bonifit to adapt as a young developing setter here for the team. Almost scoring a point there.
Yeah, because that was the intention from the timeout.
What a way to end set number 2 match against Cherry Tigo. So yung mga veterano na team talagang napapahirapan nila. Kaya they need to close out here in the third set to avoid those kinds of situations again.
Mag-isa ka, you need help of the others para maayos kung sino talaga ang gets the point. In the meantime, action, oh boy, that is sent outside. Alexis will join us.
But now the balanced playmaking is something that Bea Boniface should celebrate here today. I mean, kanina makikita natin nagsistruggle pa, but as the game progresses, nagiging komportable na siya. Pati yung mga kasama niya. Ironic din eh, because you have all these big veterans here on your team, and usually yung laban and that fire, it's more in it kapag ka mga veterano. But speaking of, Joy Dacoron scoring off that quick hit.
Brian was concerned about the way the ball was getting to Chisaete. In the meantime, a foiled attempt there. Soltones shoots. Dacoron. Well done.
Blockers for Myla Pablo. That's a big no-no. Whether it's from an off, great defense by Chisaete.
2 straight points now. Nagkagulo. Nagkatamaan yata. Tumama ba si Bang?
Yes.
That push into the middle, which has been a loophole in the Akari defense.
Nagiging difference in this match. Yung defense ni Akari, sabi nga natin, they don't stop with the attempts. Meanwhile, ito namang Petrogas kulang sa attempts.
Pontillas says one more. Says one more. Playing against each other, diba?
Ang ganda ng tiwala. Back-to-back na-block ito si Pontillas.
Soltones has 10. Action continues. Pablo. Soltones. Laksina. Yeah. Alexis, ano meron? Soyud. Chang got to it. It's still in play. We have a joust, and it does not last very long.
Still up by 3. Like you mentioned earlier, they took control of the second set. The entire set, they were the ones setting the pace. And it's still the same story here
Oh,
in the
Johnson.
third set.
Ganda ng confidence na nakuha ng Akari from winning that very long first set. No, they messed this up. They might need a timeout here. Will hit the floor. Oh, that's a check ball. Myla knew it. And just to complete the sentence, Zeus Coffee goes up against Chocomucho later on. This ricochets of the net. One-handed set. Chang just pushed it up. Hit out as Adolfo gets that to bite.
Coach Tina naman still so chill, allowing her players to
They
play their game.
finally replied to that 6-0 run. Oh, sa beach volleyball, puro buhangin doon sa likod na yun. Diba? Aha! By the Angels. Soyud. Adolfo kicking high. The drop. Soyud gets to it. Soltones, and they are foiled. Down now by 2. Bonafé. Short serve. Pineda. The usual Chang keeper. Back row at work. Pineda.
Ooh.
Buhay pa yan, ha? Soltones aimed. Chang at the net. Lacoron rejected. Pineda. Naku, hindi naka-atake. Soyud. Denied.
Oh, Tiangzon and Joy Dacron taking over.
Third set. That's hit out. Soltones slams it against the block. And Ilagan and so many other places. Montalban, of course. Dasmariñas, Cavite. Here we go. That's a block. You know, Akari has risen.
Good potential lineup eh.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of experience, and I think as they go, nadadagdagan yung experience, and now we're seeing the fruits of all those efforts combined.
Tagawa with a big shot. Oh, bigger shot by Dacoron.
Imagine the height difference between Dacoron and Tagaod, the single block pa.
That does not work, and it's outside.
Sila yung role na kailangan lahat
Saka pag
pinakausap.
nagte-tense up, no? Biglang hindi ka nagsasalita eh.
Oh! We haven't seen that all afternoon from Eli Soyud.
She has 15 points, including that spike of the set. Brought to you by Duncan, pasalubong ng bayan. Close to the net. The zip, the whip, and the score by Myla Pablo.
Brian allowing the girls to breathe, get better perspective.
Myla with 15. Soyud pushes it over. That will work for Adolfo.
Adolfo, such a power hitter. One of the rookies, and Bayon just continuously improving here under the...
Ooh, off the hands. Alam mo, ang movement ng players, it's not just because of the sweldo eh.
And also sometimes the team composition, kung saan nila nakikita yung sarili nila na mas mag-grow pa.
Alam mo, ang downside kasi ng volleyball compared to basketball. And you also, the style of the game, you need a solid 6 that works well together. At least 8 eh. Actually, masarap maging... Oh, that'll work.
Back back-to-back aces from the rookie, Jenny Tagaod.
Pero masarap maging second six. Kasi Jenny will continue to serve. Lakas, sobra.
Oh!
Pasok ba?
Pasok.
Wow.
We talked about playing time earlier, and this is the way.
It is match point. Chance. Torres got it in the corner. And Akari will set a date to the next round.
It's Soltones.